Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a review for you today for a travel charging station by Amir, and I'm going to tell you the pros and cons about this. First thing I want to mention, if you find this video informative, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting videos. And if you live in the US and you're about to travel to a different country, please comment in the comment section below because I may have a little gift for you. Anyway, so this is basically what it looks like here. You have 4 outlets here, and you also have 4 USB ports here too. You have a cable here. It comes with a Velcro strap, and the cables looks like it's about maybe 5.5 feet, maybe almost. That's about 5 to 5.5 feet. You can see right here. Another thing is too, it is for the US here, so you can actually use this as your regular power strip. Like for instance, I have an old one here. I'm getting ready to get rid of this one and just start using this one. So I can use this while I'm in the US, and then if I'm getting ready to travel abroad, I just go ahead and simply take the adapter that I need, and then once I'm in the country, I can simply just pop it into here, just like this, and I'm ready to rock and roll. And you know, it may be a plug here for the US, but the US plug here works in a lot of different countries, like in Mexico and a lot of other countries, but I'm gonna put some photos at the end where each one of these adapters, you'll see what particular country it works in. Okay, so but it does come with 3 other adapters here. You have one right here. This is a European adapter here, but of course it'll work in many other countries like Brazil, for instance. If I pop this off here, you can see that we have another one here. This is basically the Hong Kong type, but you can use this not only in Hong Kong, but Malaysia, the UK as well, and then many other countries. And we have a 3rd type of adapter here, and this is basically the Australian adapter, and you can use this in many other countries as well. Now, the thing that I want to mention is that this right here is an adapter. Okay, these are adapters. This is not a converter. So for instance, if you travel, in the US, the standard voltage is 110. So if you travel abroad and they have like a 240 voltage, you have to make sure your particular device is capable of handling 240 voltage. Now, just about every laptop that I know of, I ever used, laptops, cell phones, including iPhone, Samsung, Sony, they all work between like 110 to 250 volts, so you have no problems going to another country. However, if there's other devices that you're using, like maybe a blow dryer, maybe a curling iron, one time I used a water flosser, and it was like travel size, but it was only for traveling domestically here in the US, not abroad. I went to China, I popped it in here, I heard a loud pop, and I started smelling like smoke. That happened to me several different times, not only with water flossers, but one time I brought like a little tiny rice pot. I'm half Asian. I brought it to the London in the UK, and it was like a mini size. I thought it was a travel size, but that was only for traveling domestically in the US again. Anyways, I popped that in there, and I heard a pop, and right away I knew that it wasn't the correct voltage, and I waited for that little smell. But this doesn't blow out. Basically, the device will be shot. So what you can always do is you can basically look at the power supply of the particular product, and you can see like this right here. This is to charge like a camera battery or like a DSL battery. You just want to look on the input, and this one here says 100 volts to 200 volts. Another thing is too, if you're going to be traveling and you have like a camera, basically a charging station for your battery, well, you might want to take note too that these are kind of big, and these outlets are kind of close together. So if you're charging these, you're only going to be able to, basically it's going to take up 2 slots here, because they're so close together. But you can put one here, and you can put one up here as well. So there you guys go with the review. Again, if you find this video informative, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and like I said, if you live in the US and you're getting ready to travel outside of the US, let me know in the comments what country you're getting ready to travel to, and like I said, you may have a little gift coming to you.